Hi guys, and welcome back to today's video. So this video is another haul. You guys have been loving my last two hauls and you guys have been asking me to do more of such hauls, so I thought let's just do another one. I recently bought a lot of stuff. This particular haul is not one brand oriented or one website oriented. I have bought a lot of stuff from different platforms. I bought some stuff from Amazon, some from Myntra, some from Urbanic, and even some from these Instagram pages that I'm going to be mentioning in the description. I have jewelry, I have some clothing, I have lingerie even, and I have footwear. Let's just get into it without wasting any further time. Okay, so let's start with the things that I got from Myntra. I actually bought 3 stuff from Myntra. The first are these track pants. Like, these are not track pants exactly, they have a flared bottom, yeah, they do have a drawstring, so they are sort of like a track pant only, but I really like the color of this, and that is the only reason why I bought them. I'm gonna leave a picture somewhere here so that you guys can get an idea. It costed me very less, somewhere around I guess 400-500, and again I'm gonna leave the link down so you can go and check it out. Now coming to the next two things I got from Myntra are these 2 pair of bras that I got. The size that I got them in is I don't remember क्या size लिया था मैंने, 34C. I got them in 34C, and I'll just show you. I haven't even unboxed them properly. So these, I really wanted something very comfortable and something for everyday use. I got these. These are padded, but not underwired. I don't like underwired bras. I've been really distancing myself from underwired bras, but I do like padded, like lightly padded bras. So I got this one. I like the color. I did not have a blue one, so I got this. Next, I have another one. Black, plain black, must have in the wardrobe. And this is what it looks like. It's a plain black bra. The strap is a little different, and yeah, both of them are from Dressberry. This is the name of the brand, and you can find it on Myntra. Again, I'm going to leave the price of it somewhere here below. Now let's come to the things that I got from Urbanic. First of all, I got these pants that I'm just wearing right now, so I'll just stand up and show you what I bought from them. So it is these pants. These are the denims that I bought from them. These are straight fit denims. I'm also going to leave a picture somewhere here so that you guys can get an idea. And I really like the double color thing, and they fit really well. This was the first purchase I made from Urbanic, and I think I'm really happy with the purchase. It costed me somewhere around 1000 to 1500. Coming to the next thing that I bought from Urbanic is this top. I bought this top. It was, I don't remember the price. मैं नीचे can mention कर दूँगी. It is very, like, it looks like it might be a little harsh, but the net is so soft. It's so soft. It's so comfortable. The fit is just perfect. Again, and I think ये मेरा size I got M, I guess. I bought M in this. मुझे याद नहीं है, मैं लिख दूँगी नीचे कहीं. Coming to the next thing that I got, and it is this satin shirt. I think a satin shirt is something that you should at least have one in your wardrobe. They really give you that not so formal but a very chic look, and किसी बहुत सारी चीज़ों के साथ पेयर कर सकते हो. You can even wear it to various events and it look very, very good. I got this from this Instagram page. I'm gonna leave the link down, and the quality is pretty good. It's decent. It's not too good like you get in Zara or something, but it's pretty decent, and the price is somewhere around 1000 or 1200. तो उसके हिसाब से तो I think it's pretty decent, and I really like the color of this. They had various other colors. They had brown, neutral, white, but I really like this olive khaki color. So yeah, now let's come to some jewelry that I bought from Amazon. I bought from various pages on Instagram, and I do have a lot of things that I have to show you in jewelry now. So first of all, I got these earrings. The one that I'm wearing on the top, these earrings I got for somewhere around 300-400. I wanted something that I can wear on my topmost piercing, and topmost piercing के लिए problem ये होती है हमेशा लेने में कि मुझे size समझ में नहीं आता, because this part of my ear is very small. So I wasn't sure कि मैं 2 mm लूँ, 3 mm लूँ, 4 mm लूँ, because they have these sizes. So first I bought 2 mm, मैंने कुछ टाइम पहले लिया था, एंड दैट यू नो वॉज वेरी स्मॉल फॉर मी. सो नाउ आई गॉट दिस वन. दिस इज़ 4 mm एंड काफ़ी यू नो it is silver, so I can only wear silver on my topmost piercing, because otherwise it starts, you know, paining and bleeding. So I bought another pair of earrings and it came in this packet. I'll just show you what they look like. So ऐसे आए थे, और it is these balis, if you can see, again silver balis that I got from my earring, that is this one. मैं इसमें ऑलरेडी कुछ पहनी हूँ, बट मैंने इस वाली piercing के लिए लिए हैं ये. मैंने अब तक ट्राई नहीं करे, सो आई कैन नॉट गिव यू लाइक अ फाइनल थिंग, बट या दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई बॉट. एंड ये भी आई थिंक सिल्वर है, तो मैं अपनी टॉप वाली पियर्सिंग्स पे तो सिल्वर ही पहनती हूँ, बिकॉज अदरवाइज इट स्टार्ट्स पेनिंग. कमिंग टू द ज्वेलरी दैट आई गॉट फ्रॉम द इंस्टाग्राम पेजेस. So first let's start with these earrings. It is a pair of 4 earrings. They have this lock and key thing, and they have like 4 earrings. 3 are of lock and 1 is of key. I really like them. I'm going to leave a picture somewhere here so that you guys can know what I'm exactly talking about. I got from मैंने किस पेज से लिए थे ये. I'll leave a मैंने इतना सब कुछ लिया था, तो मुझे एग्जैक्टली नहीं याद है कि मैंने कौन से पेज से ये वाले लिए थे. तो आई एम गोना लीव द डिटेल्स बिलो, सो यू कैन गो एंड चेक इट आउट. very nice earrings. Like the moment I saw them, I knew it that I'm buying this. Next I have these. These are 4 bracelets together, and again I'm going to leave a picture somewhere here so that you guys can know exactly, and I'm also going to leave the page from where I got them down below. Amazing quality gold jewelry. I like layering up things on my hand and wearing them, pairing them with watches. So I really wanted one, and these have 4, so I thought let's just give it a try, and I really like them. Next, coming to this also I got from some Instagram page, and this is a very interesting piece. जब मेरे पास ये आया था, मैंने जब इसको ओपन किया, I was wondering कि मैं इसको पहनूँ कैसे, because it is such a complicated piece first, but then I saw the picture on their page, and then I opened this, and then I tried to match it with the picture, and फिर मुझे समझ में आया कि इसको कैसे पहनना है exactly. So it has these pearls which come only on one side of the neck. So this is how you wear it. Okay, so now coming to the next one is this. It is 2 layered, and it also has this pearl detailing. पता नहीं यार, आज मुझे pearl से बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार हो गया. मतलब I'm looking for pearl detailing in some of my other jewelry. I really like them, and I think they just make you look very classy and very just very ladylike, I think. Next, coming to some rings that I got. This is again the first time I saw them, I knew I had to buy them, क्योंकि मैंने ऐसी rings नहीं देखी थी पहले कभी. So these are the 2 rings that I got. Let me just wear them and show you. It has this T written here and S written here. Now coming to another ring that I got is this. It has this again lock and key, and it looks so pretty. That was all the jewelry that I got. Now coming to footwear, this is one footwear that I got. These are transparent heels. I've been so fond of transparent heels, and because they're so in trend, and they go well with every outfit, literally every outfit. And I think मैं सबसे ज़्यादा यही पहनती हूँ, and they're even very comfortable. The size I got them is 37, and these are very cheap. I guess somewhere around 800 or 900. So if you really want to invest in some heels, I would highly recommend you that go in for the transparent ones, because they go well with every outfit. They are very trending, and yeah. So that was everything that I wanted to show you in this haul. It was a mix of all the things, and you guys know how much I love purchasing new stuff, and how much I love trying out new things. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Every detail will be mentioned in the description below, so definitely go and check that out. And please do not leave without subscribing to my channel, and even following me on Instagram. The link is down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care of yourselves. Stay tuned for my next video, which is gonna come up very soon, and goodbye.